Hi all, it's Bill here again. Today I'd like to show you a little town that's not too far away from where I live. It's called Catherine Hill Bay. The morning flight was just after a few weeks of rain, and I'm using my Mavic Air 2. Catherine Hill Bay is a beautiful little protected heritage mining village on the New South Wales Central Coast. Just to give you a little history, it was established in 1865 when the land was first purchased to serve as a base for coal mining in the area. The town was first called Cowper, but in 1867 a schooner called Catherine Hill ran aground and the town was renamed to commemorate it. In 1875 the local pub was built, which is still there today. It's known locally as the Catho. The jetty, which is not used anymore, was used to carry coal out to waiting ships. It's 240 metres long. When you look out to the ocean, you'll see the coal ships lining up to take their turn at the docks in Newcastle. It's a great place to relax, have a swim, and at times whales and dolphins can be seen. The water is usually crystal clear. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, as usual, let me know.